Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we have been sent to sell a magnificent VK Group A Brock Commodore. To many, the king of Brocks, but it is a beauty. This one has done 45,000 kilometres, that's it. All original. It's got the T5 gearbox from factory. It's got the Group 3 body skirt kit from factory. Air conditioned, white wheels. Amazing. Look at this. And logbooks. Everything's been kept for the car. We sold this car a number of years ago to the current owner, and he sent it back here to be sold. But just magnificent car. Very little wear and tear internally, as you can imagine from such a low mileage car. Here's the build number, 425 of 500. Air conditioned, and look at that, T5, factory T5. And up to the odometer, 45,011 Ks. Very nice. Beautiful. Everywhere is beautiful. You'll see in the photos that I've taken. We'll pop the bonnet. Let's have a look under the bonnet. It's going round and round, so I've got to catch up with it. There we go. There's the beast. 4.9 litre. I had to detune it for Group A rules of the day. But beautiful. Look at that. LV2 M21 GU4, and this one is 885. Power steering, air conditioning, and there you go. Build 2719 885 GA, the magic GA. Look at that. Everything's in its place. All the factory stickers still in perfect condition. Wiring loom stickers still there, and then you've got these standout white wheels, SS Group A. I'll listen to the car. How cool is that? Good on you, Brockie. What a build, what a great vision this man had. Number 425 of 500. If you're interested in this, there's lots of photos on the website, and if you'd like to give Mike Selby a call, we can then discuss anything further that you'd like to know about the car and the history of the car. Originally from Tasmania, and there you go. Hope you've enjoyed that, and thank you very much for watching Australian Muscle Car TV.